Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I posted, so I thought I'd start off with just a box opening. I bought myself a Smarti PI Touch case for my Raspberry Pi. Let me show you what it is here. Okay, well here it is, the Smarti PI Touch. Here's how it comes in this box. So when we open her up here, we've got the back cover, which also has the little compartment for the Raspberry Pi. We have an advertisement for a cover that goes out for the hat. That's if you wanted to add a hat on top of it, this would cover it. Here's the bag of bolts and an Allen wrench, and there's where the setup video is. Here's the stand, if you're going to put it on a stand. We also have two little feet where you can screw it down. We have a power splitter, one to go to the monitor and one to go to the Pi. These little screws here, I think these are for if you're going to use a hat. And then you have, this is the cable to go from the Pi to the screen. And these pieces right here, this is for if you would have a camera. Now I do not own the camera and I won't be using it, but it's like a little Lego and it snaps on and goes on the back of it. Again, this is all designed to work with the original official Raspberry Pi touchscreen. Alright, let's start with this cable. We need to put these silver things up, slide that in there, and push forward these two little black corners. You could kind of hear them snap. That'll put this in. Now we'll be able to take this screen and slide it in here. Kind of different. I guess it goes like that. So that cord kind of bends over backwards and sticks out that way. And we'll set that down, unsnapping this by flipping this little lever. We'll pull that out. So we can grab the Raspberry Pi here. Now one of the other things that you should do is they give a little rubber piece here, and you have to stick that rubber piece on. If you look on the instructions on their website, you stick that little rubber piece on right in there, one of them, and then the other one you stick on the back side of this right here. So we'll take this, and the Pi sits in here like this. So we got to put this above here, slide it in, and again push those two down, and then this Pi will sit right in there like that. Now you can see this thing is still up here. We'll get the screws out. And put our screws in to hold the case down. Okay, these little screws here I believe are for when you're going to put a piece on the back of here, a hat or whatever you want to call it. Also, we'll just put those in the box. This device, this is talking about a cover that they sell that goes over the back of it if you would like. I'm good with just having the Raspberry Pi on the back for now. So we'll take this and snap that in, and now you have yourself a screen. Now this little section right here, this can be flipped around and have the same Lego pieces on it. On this device, this is the base. I am going to use the base. You also can use, like I said, these. These are for if you'd like to screw it to the table. I'm not going to use those currently. I'm going to use the base. So we slide these base pieces in here, and you end up having these little nuts. They have to go in. They're really simple, but you just set them in their little spot, and then take the screw, hold it in with your finger. We got to get the hole lined up. Of course, then you knock the nut out. And they give a little Allen wrench with it, so you can snug that up. Same goes for the other side. That one lined up faster. Take the little Allen screw. Don't tighten it too much right away. Because once you get it here, this is where you can adjust the angle you would like and give it a little bit more of a snug fit. I think something about like that. And there you go. Now you can take your adapter and plug it in. A little difficult. I left it snug enough that I can still open it, but yet still it won't push down. So one is for the monitor and one is for the Raspberry Pi. Slide this in here. Slide this one in here. And then the splitter goes to one cable here and out to your charger. Now, I don't have an SD card in here yet. I need to do that. The really nice part is you can take this, flip this cover off, just pull your Pi out, and there's where your SD card goes, so you can install your software. Put it back in. You don't have to unhook any cables to do that, which is kind of nice. And snap this back down, and you're done. Boot her up, and you will have a nice Raspberry Pi touchscreen area. So that's the Smarti PI Touch case. Seems pretty good quality. It's really nice with the stand. Also nice if you ended up having to wanting to, I guess, screw it right down to a desk or to a wall or to an area once you're doing like some home automation or something like that. So anyway, I recommend it. It seems to be a nice little device. Thanks for watching.